I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
I'm
telling you.
here for, no ma'am. Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps.
Welcome back, guys. Today's courtroom disaster is straight up unbelievable. This woman walks into court radiating full sovereign citizen confidence after getting charged for driving without a license, then tries to dodge the whole thing by pretending the law doesn't apply to her. According to her logic, she's not a U.S. citizen, so the rules magically disappear. It's basically like refusing to pay rent because you suddenly don't recognize your apartment. Meanwhile, the judge stays completely calm and lets her talk herself deeper and deeper into trouble without interrupting the meltdown once. At some point, this stops looking like a legal argument and starts feeling like a live comedy skit. Let's get into it.
John Vier, Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter at your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed?
She treats the courtroom like reality is optional, and laws only count if she personally agrees with them. The second you drive on public roads, you're already bound by the state's rules whether you like it or not. Claiming some made-up exemption doesn't erase traffic laws. It just makes the situation look even more ridiculous. None of these arguments hold weight in actual courtrooms, but sovereign citizens keep repeating them like they discovered some hidden cheat code. At this point, it feels less like a defense strategy and more like someone trying to win an argument they saw on the internet at 2 a.m.
Or if you don't want to participate. Or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a KPS.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Janvier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
This is where the courtroom stops being a legal setting and starts feeling like a one-woman protest against common sense. She's treating mandatory car insurance like it's a violation of her soul instead of a basic rule to keep people from financial ruin after a crash. Meanwhile, the judge is dismantling her logic with the precision of someone who's seen the same nonsense 50 times this week. Watching her double down on every bad take is like watching someone challenge gravity. It's loud, dramatic, and guaranteed to lose.
Okay, so I need the actual person, Janvier Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Janvier Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I cannot handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Janvier Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm an attorney, in fact. Listen, I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it.
Quiet.
Janvier Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am?
The moment someone starts throwing around terms like attorney, in fact, you already know the hearing is about to go completely off the rails. They say it like it's some secret legal loophole that instantly overrides the court system. But in reality, it means absolutely nothing without actual legal authority behind it. Real attorneys need licenses issued by the state, not homemade paperwork and confidence. Watching these people misquote laws with total certainty is honestly one of the wildest parts of these hearings. The confidence level is sky high even when the argument completely falls apart after two basic questions.
Janvier Williams, are you present twice? Janvier Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Janvier Williams, the agent.
Okay.
So Janvier representative, authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her, zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Janvier Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Janvier Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
All right. I gotta ask, did any of you actually agree with the sovereign citizen here, or are we all watching the same train wreck? Personally, I think the judge handled this perfectly. She didn't argue, didn't lose control, and didn't let the courtroom turn into a circus. She stayed calm, relied on actual law, and shut every argument down without feeding into the chaos. That's exactly how judges keep these hearings from turning into total disasters. Sovereign citizen arguments aren't new, but they keep getting louder and more dramatic every year. Judges who stay focused like this are usually the only thing keeping the room from spiraling out of control. She kept the hearing structured, professional, and grounded in reality instead of letting the defendant hijack everything with conspiracy-style nonsense. Honestly, if more judges handle cases this way, we'd probably see a lot less of these pointless courtroom performances wasting everyone's time. Anyway, if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video and subscribe because I got more courtroom chaos coming every single day. And let me know in the comments whether you think the judge was too lenient, too harsh, or handled everything exactly right. You guys always have some great takes, and I love reading through them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.